All right, so we've already learned how to add decimals. Now we're going to learn how to subtract decimals. And guess what? It's almost the exact same thing, except you're subtracting. So you have to apply all the rules that you've learned before, like the top number has to be bigger than the smaller number or the bottom number so that you can subtract. So in other words, you can't currently do 4 take away 9. That's not something we're going to give you. At this point, it's coming. So same thing, if you need a review on what place value is, click right here and it will tell you. But the number 5.86 is written to the, and you will click here and change this to hundredth. The number 1 and 2/10 is written to the tenths. So you will also change this to where it says tenths, 10th place value. I will need to make sure that I have both numbers written in the same place value. So in other words, 5 and 8/100ths needs to be written with 1, and this should be 20/100ths. So both numbers are written in the same place value. Therefore, I can add zeros to the number to make the place value the same. Like when we did addition, it's done the exact same way. It's just a little, you're just subtracting. So I'm going to do the same thing. This is 4 and 58/100ths minus 2 and 3/10. Well, you'll notice there's two digits past the decimal point here, and there's only 1. So I'm going to retype my numbers, 4 and 58/100ths, and then my other number is 2, and I need 2 and 3/10, but I'm going to add that 0 to the end. Now again, we're working with computers, so I want to try to make these line up. That's not perfect, but I just keep fiddling with it till it's the way that it should be. Okay, so now they're lined up. See how the decimal points are lined up. I need a little bit more room. Again, we're doing this on the computer because when we have to prove our work and show our work, this is the only way to do it, is through the computer when we're taking our tests. So I'm going to solve. I'm going to start with 8 subtract 0. My answer is 8. So I might write that down on a sheet of paper just for a minute, just to hold its place. But 8 minus 8 is 8. So now I'm looking at 5 take away 3. 5 take away 3 is 2. I love working with a computer. So I need my decimal point still. I'm going to continue to work with the computer when it loves me. 4 subtract 2 is 2. And so let's double check all of this. If I were to, and let's see if I can figure out a way to write. Yeah, we'll fake it. What you need to notice is that there we go. These are supposed to be lined up. My decimal points are lined up. So 8 subtract 0 is 8. 5 subtract 3 is 2. 2 subtract 2 is 2. So it's the exact same way. You've got like 5 more problems to practice. I will put the answers either virtually or on the board for you guys to check your work. You will be responsible for knowing these, practicing these. We are building from here, continuing to. Yeah.